So kung feeling mo na doon ka sa phase na parang paulit-ulit lang ang nangyayari sa buhay mo, na para bang walang progress, huwag kang madismaya. Kasi minsan, the most boring season is just before the breakthrough season. Pag wala kang pera, madaling sabihin, money isn't everything. Pero pag nagkapera ka na, doon mo marirealize, money solves problems. You can have anything, but not everything. You cannot rush purpose. Lahat ng maganda, mabagal lumago. Alam mo, after 13 years doing business, I realized, hindi pala negosyo ang tinuturuan mo. Ikaw pala ang tinuturuan ng negosyo mo. Kasi habang tumatagal, mapapansin mo, hindi lang pala sales, marketing at kita ang natututunan mo, kundi character, patience, at peace. And honestly, kung meron pang mas brutal kesa sa trading, business yon. Kasi dito, hindi lang pera ang pwedeng mawala sa'yo. Minsan, tulog, tiwala, at minsan, pati yung sarili mong confidence. Pero kahit ganon, hindi ko ipagpapalit yung ilang taon na yon. Kasi lahat ng sakit, pagod at stress, doon ko natutunan yung mga lessons na hindi ko natutunan sa libro. So in this video, gusto ko i-share sa'yo yung top 3 life lessons na natutunan ko sa loob ng 13 years kong pagninegosyo. Hindi ito motivational fluff. Ito yung dirty, beautiful truth ng real life sa negosyo at adulthood. And yung last one na i-share ko mamaya, yun yung pinakamasakit. Pero yun din na nakapagbigay sa akin ng pinakamagandang kalayaan. Kaya let's start. Success requires seasons of boredom. Akala ko dati, success is all about excitement. Dapat laging may bago, may adrenaline rush. Pero over time, napansin ko, yung totoong success, kadalasan, boring. It's waking up, doing same routine, checking numbers, replying to clients, and repeating it again tomorrow. Parang gym, hindi mo nakikita yung progress everyday. Pero pag consistent ka, bigla ka na lang mapapatingin sa salamin at masasabi mong, wow, ganda na pala ng katawan ko. May nagbago na. Sa negosyo, ganun din. The boring seasons, yung walang benta, walang excitement, yung pala yung moments na tinatayo yung foundation ng future mo. Kasi kung hindi mo kaya maging consistent sa boring parts, hindi mo makukuha yung exciting rewards. Everybody wants freedom, pero konti lang ang may disiplina para sa freedom. So kung feeling mo na doon ka sa phase na parang paulit-ulit lang ang nangyayari sa buhay mo, na para bang walang progress, huwag kang madismaya. Kasi minsan, the most boring season is just before the breakthrough season. Life lesson number 2. Money doesn't change you. It reveals you. Isa to sa pinaka-eye-opening realizations ko. Pero teka lang, lakas ng hangin ng lamig eh. Lipat tayo. Kung dati, madamot ka, pag yumaman ka, mas lalo ka lang madamot. Kung dati kang matulungin, pag yumaman ka, lalo kang magiging mas matulungin. Money doesn't corrupt, it amplifies. Naalala ko dati, nung nakatikim na ako ng malaking income, akala ko mag-iiba na ako eh. Pero alam mo ako ano nangyari? Hindi pala ako naging iba. Kung ano ako, mas lalong naging ako, pero meron ng budget, ibang version na. Gets mo ba? Here's the truth. Pag wala kang pera, madaling sabihin, money isn't everything. Pero pag nagkapera ka na, doon mo marirealize, money solves problems. But it doesn't fix emptiness. There was a time na kumikita ako ng malaki pero hindi ako masaya. Doon ko na-realize na kapag hindi mo alam kung bakit gusto mong yumaman, hindi ka rin magiging masaya kahit maabot mo ang mga pangarap mo. So now, I see money differently. Not as something to chase, but as something to manage, respect, and use with purpose. Here's the third one. Everything is a trade-off. Ito yung lesson na pinakamasakit pero pinakatotoo. Lahat ng bagay may kapalit. Every yes you give, may no kang sinasabi sa iba. Every success story, may unseen sacrifice. Gusto mo ng freedom? May kapalit na risk. Gusto mo ng peace? May kapalit na pagle-let go. Gusto mo ng time? May kapalit na opportunity. For years, gusto ko lahat sabay-sabay. Business growth, social life, fitness, family. personal time. Pero over time, I realized you can have anything, but not everything. And the older I got, the more I understood. The goal isn't to have it all. The goal is piliin mo kung ano yung worth it para sa'yo. That's maturity. Yung marunong ka nang magsabi ng hindi na muna. Kahit tempting, yung marunong kang pumili ng peace kesa sa pressure. And maybe that's what real success feels like. Not when you get more, but when you finally know what's enough. In life, every decision is a trade. So make sure you are trading for something that actually matters. Kung nandito ka pa sa part na to, salute. Kasi ibig sabihin, gusto mo talagang matuto. Hindi lang ng trading or business, kundi ng buhay mismo. So dahil nandito ka pa rin, para sa'yo to. Ang sabi ko, 3 lesson lang. Pero gawin nating may pang-4. Don't rush what's meant to grow slowly. Dati sobrang bilis ko maglakad sa buhay. Gusto ko lahat agad. Profit agad, resulta agad, recognition agad. Pero habang tumatanda ka, marirealize mo, may mga bagay na hindi mo pwedeng i-fast forward. You cannot rush maturity. You cannot rush peace. You cannot rush purpose. Lahat ng maganda, mabagal lumago. Parang kape. Hindi mo pwedeng i-brew ng pilit. Kapag minadali mo, pait ang lalabas. May mga panahong parang walang progress. Pero yun pala, may tinatanim si Lord sa'yo na hindi mo pa nakikita. And just because it's not happening fast, doesn't mean it's not happening. Kasi minsan yung delay, hindi rejection, direction. It's life's way of saying, chill ka lang muna. Ayusin ko pa yung timing mo. At kung may time or moments na feeling mo na pag-iwanan ka na ng mga kaibigan mo, na para bang late bloomer ka, bro, walang late sa sarili mong timeline. Progress isn't always visible, but it is always happening if you are consistent. Kaya kung pagod ka na, pero alam mong may pangarap ka pa, hinga lang. Take it slow. Kasi minsan, yung dahan-dahan, yun pala, yung diretsyong daan. Whew. So, ayun. So, technically, tapos na tayo sa 3 life lessons. Pero kung umabot ka hanggang dito, you deserve the bonus one. Because the truth is, life isn't about how fast you get there. It's about who you become while getting there. At kung tinapos mo yung vlog na to, comment below, #patagalanmovement para alam ko kung isa ka sa mga taong hindi lang nanonood, naglalakbay din. So with that, this is Nico Mendoza saying, sa trading at sa buhay, hindi pabilisan, patagalan. Because in the end, consistency beats intensity. Ciao.